Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to exit or reset the transport mode on BMW. So what transport mode does is it's a setting usually used when the car is shipped from the factory to the dealership, or when the car is parked for a long period of times. It might be set on transport mode so that it doesn't drain the battery. During that mode, like things like radio, AC and other electronic consumers that are not really necessary will be disabled and you won't be able to use them. So in order to exit that mode, use the YOUCANIC scanner. You can go to diagnostics and then BMW and then select your BMW model. Go to control modules, go to chassis, go to vertical dynamic platform VDP, and go down to the bottom here, active tests. You can reset it or delete transport mode. Delete transport mode. Transport mode 4 will be deleted. Okay. Press OK, activate. It says transport mode was deleted, and that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.